Unlock the power of seamless team collaboration with Dropbox. This tutorial will walk you through using Dropbox effectively with your team, transforming how you share files and manage projects. First, let's talk about shared folders. These are the heart of team collaboration. To create one, click the Create button and select Folder, then choose Share this folder. Now, invite your team members by entering their email addresses. You can also give them a custom message. This is crucial for setting expectations up front. Controlling access is key for each member. You can set their permissions, can edit, allows them to make changes, add, or delete files, while can view restricts them to only seeing the content. Once a folder is shared, everyone invited can access its contents. This is where your team's project files will live documents, presentations, designs, whatever you need. Dropbox keeps everyone in the loop. You'll see activity updates, like who made a recent edit or added a new file. This transparency is vital for avoiding confusion. For true collaboration, encourage your team to not work on multiple copies of the same file. Instead, all edits should happen directly within the shared Dropbox folder. Leverage the comment feature within files to discuss specific points, ask questions, or provide feedback without cluttering your documents. This keeps conversations contextual. Establish clear workflows. Decide who is responsible for uploading finalized documents, who reviews them, and who gives the final approval. This structure ensures efficiency. When uploading new files, be descriptive with file names and ensure they go into the correct shared folder. This organization prevents lost work. By mastering these Dropbox features, you'll foster seamless file sharing and project coordination, significantly boosting your team's productivity and elevating your collective efficiency.